Poet David Whyte, he talks how we're maybe 7 to 10 years behind who we've already become. And it's this kind of realizing who we already are. It's this kind of game of catch up. And I would think that our job is to kind of narrow that gap. And how do you do that? Well, you're kind of it's to live who you already are. So that's the question for us. So if you hear this draw to learn some Irish, if Lartas Gaeilge, if Nasca, Ladini as Gaeilge, if you want to connect with people through Irish, there might be a good reason for it. And maybe in that case, if your psyche has already decided that's what you should do, it's your job to stay the course. And the suggestion would be then, it might be 7 years before it kind of makes itself clear for why you're learning Gaeilge. Maybe your psyche already knows why.